everybody. OCP, come to the corner. OCP, no need to suffer. OCP, one corner party. OCP, party for everybody. OCP, come to the corner. OCP, no need to suffer. OCP, come over to where life is better. Enjoyment in the corner. OCP, give us your vote, we'll make you to chop. Enjoyment forever. OCP, come to the corner. OCP.
Bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va bien, Ronaldo? Et vous? Bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Et Ronaldo? Et vous? Bonjour, comment ça va? Ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, Neymar. Et vous? Wow! Bonjour! I love your French. Bonjour! Ça va bien, merci. Et vous? And now, remove the Messi and put Ronaldo. Ça va bien, Ronaldo. Et vous? Bon. Bon. Children, do you want puff puff?
Yes!
Are you sure?
Yes!
You want puff puff?
Yes!
Do you know how puff puff is called in French?
No!
Puff puff is called leg puff.
Leg puff.
That is one. For two is leg puff puff.
Leg puff.
Lovely and nice. Lovely and nice. Now, you want me to dance a puff puff dance for you?
Yes!
You will begin to clap. Clap. Bonjour. Aye, aye. Coat. Say coat. Zua. I will be back. Mama. I had a nice meal. I am telling you. Your hand, same taste. No change, same taste since 1952.
My son, why wouldn't I have that touch? Or do you want all these small guests to take your father from me?
That will never happen.
Mama,
Mama, jealousy is still catching you. Even at retirement age, what is it now? Allow Papa to go out a little. I just loan him out like they loan someone. Yes, in some football club. Let him go and have free playing time. I know, Papa, I'm speaking your interest. My father, my father.
That's my son, that's my son.
Yes, Mama. If this were in Côte d'Ivoire, where I'm coming from, you know what they'll call you? They would call you, they'll say to you, Bon chef.
Bon chef.
Bon chef.
Bon chef. Bon chef.
No, I know, Papa. This is the reason why I bought you shaving stick. Because you like to shave. It is not a chef like cook.
Okay, chef.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
We.
We.
We means yes.
I can't even understand what he said. We.
French
chef.
is upside down. We is yes.
Bon chef.
Yeah, bon chef.
Okay.
Mama, I bought you things.
Only for your mother?
I carry Cote d'Ivoire in my bag now and brought to you.
Only for your mother?
No, I did not. Ah, Papa.
I would have said now.
Papa, I bought a technological shaving stick for you.
That's good, my son. Technological shaving stick.
To use and touch your molo.
Sister, I'm telling you, see, this thing is original. This product is made in Taiwan. You see, anyone you see with this cap on, that means that one is original.
Are you sure?
Well, I'm sure.
Okay, how much is it?
1,500.
No, that's too much. It's too expensive. It's
Oh.
1,000 that I can pay.
Wait, you say you can pay 1,000?
Yes, 1,000.
1,000. Yes, now. Bring money. It's because of your. Take. Thank you. Come again, bring more customers. All your friends, bring them to come and buy from us. Food money. Honestly. This before he comes, we must have eaten something. What's what? Cho, smoothie, rice, direct.
My husband. I want us to discuss about something. I want to touch. Since our son Joshua came back from Cote d'Ivoire, have you tried to discuss with him about settling down?
I've been thinking along that line. I've been thinking along that line.
My husband. You know he's of age.
He is.
And we need to carry our grandchildren before we leave this planet Earth.
You're on point. I don't know what he's waiting for.
My husband, it's better you discuss with him. Talk to him.
We'll make our time and talk sense into him.
Joshua! Where is Umoh? Come! I am here. Hey, Baba. How are your family? We thank God. Dikeh, where is Joshua? It's Joshua that I want. Joshua! Joy, baby! We are come! Monsieur Ibe. Hey! Ibe. Monsieur Ibe. Hey! All from the Republic of Cote d'Ivoire. Ibe, bon après-midi, monsieur. Hey! See, I heard about your return. Monsieur Ibe. Money. Monsieur Ibe. Okay. Ça va bien, merci. Et toi? Très bien. Hey, all this time we thank God. I heard about your return. I took a night bus from Olokoro to Arochukwu. I then took a morning bus from Arochukwu to Umoh. Then I took an afternoon bus from Umoh to Amasoma. Here, my own maternal home. I have landed to see you, my good friend. The way you're talking is doing me in my head somehow. Are you trying to say, Monsieur Ibe, that I am pilgrimage? Hey! See the travel, that you travel just because I am back. Well, I bring you good tidings from the president of Cote d'Ivoire. Yes. Huh? Yes. Go inside, pack my own. Because I'm going with it. No, you don't have any problem. I have already scattered my life with gifts. Are you serious? It is you. When I am done with you, your leg will break from greetings. Please. Your leg will break from presents. Break it on. break it up. See,
Monsieur.
you have grown so big, oh. Anybody that sees you in this life will never know that you be very, very useful to your family.
Let me tell you something. Huh? What we drive in Côte d'Ivoire in our official car is elephant.
Wait, you people drive elephant?
There is elephant convoy.
Oh, they
triumph while the alarm, the siren is parrot.
Aqua Shelem. Or they can.
The only problem I have is that I am bored.
Boredom. Which one be boredom, I beg?
Boredom is I'm bored.
Hey! Why you can't carry dumb come put for the ending part? Leave am for bored. Bored. See, you don't have a problem with that. You know me. I know this village just the way I know the back of my palm. Eh? It's my maternal home. See, I will take you to any bar, the closed ones. I know there. The opened ones recently, I know there. The existing ones, I know there. Even I heard that they are trying to open one new one. We even go and look at the place and know whether seat we enter there. My dear, we have a lot of ground to cover.
So you are a barrister.
Hey, Chinekele.
You deal with bars.
Yes. Yeah, I'm called.
That's the more reason why your life is like this.
Yeah, you going. Mama.
My son.
Mama, the mama.
My son.
Mama, the
My
mama.
son.
Joshua. Wake up, my son. Wake up.
Joshua. Joshua.
Chai! Papa, please now, whatever thing you would have told me would have waited. This is different time zone. The time zone of Côte d'Ivoire and the time zone of Nigeria.
Joshua, my son, will not waste your time. Joshua, I came to ask you some questions. What plans do you have for the future, Joshua?
Papa, plans? Me have plans. Do I have? Am I so not busy? I don't have anything to do for me to start having plan for future. Does future have plan for me? No, I have plan for it. But I leave that in life is as you see, as you come, take up.
Joshua, your mom and I need to carry our grandchildren. I don't know what you are waiting for.
You need to carry your grandchildren. Carry now. No wonder in my dream I'm hearing children cry. Forget about that marriage first. No be until you see better wife now you go marry. Mommy, adjust your leg. Okay. Joshua.
Joshua.
Mama.
Maybe you're still awake.
I told you I will join you soon. Trying to understand this account, but this is really getting me confused. Where is Ident and Chikwe?
Gone to bed. Maybe you know it's very cold in there. You need to come to bed.
Okay.
Come to Mama.
Chikwe. I don't understand now. How you people are doing a birthday? Eh? What are you people celebrating?
So one cannot eat again, Abi? Because your name is Modest Sabi.
So now for this shop. Eh?
Now you for them. Shop now your own.
Now for this shop.
Now you beat them. Now your own.
Jesus Christ.
If you touch chicken now your own. So okay. Now you kill them.
No wahala. If your bros will come back, I go tell him. Eh? See the guy following on the chop.
If you want chop, come down follow chop. This one here.
When I eat, come out there, I beg. I will tell him when you come back.
I beg, go sit down.
Honey, I need to go to the shop.
Baby, I thought you'd be spending today with me.
But I have to go to the shop.
Baby, please. Stay. now you have boys that helps you in the shop. Hmm?
Yes, but you know these boys are new. They are yet to know the price of this.
Even at that, they will master it one way or the other. Please.
I'm getting lazy these days.
You're getting lazy. For me and for you. Huh?
Not for you.
Please.
Okay, Mika.
Now they enjoy. Good day.
Hold on.
Give me 1 carton of water.
That is who we are eating. You have to wait until we finish, or you wait. Let the owner come. So
Let it Chris. Give me 1 carton of water there, say you they chop. See they chop.
Okay, wait. Let Ababel come and give you 1 carton of water. Something to worry you a bit. Abel, give her water. 1 carton.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll go with Joey. I'll go tell Ogemeka. Now the chop Abi. Supposed to eat.
Alabla. That's why your chicken big past my own. Who does? Are you done? Yeah, let's go. Are you done? Let's go. What does this do? That's my own. Okay. Enjoy your day. When he comes, before he comes, once I feel that stomach. If you walk, you chop. If you don't walk, you don't chop. If you walk, you chop. If you don't walk, you chop. I believe. I think you go.
Brother, I am a millionaire in Cote d'Ivoire.
Are you serious?
So, you get money? I am so rich that even the president collect recharge card from me. Hey, guess what? I got money here, and I'll be dashing women and children money.
Do they have a lot of motherless babies home there?
That's right. Come on. I'm the best of friends with the president of Cote d'Ivoire. The point is that him, he will go to his village and rest so that I'll be president for a couple of days, anytime I want.
He will use the hand, impeach himself.
The village.
What is village impeachment?
What me I'm looking at now is how I can invest my money.
Wow. Invest.
What can I even do? So,
I don't know. You take the money, but wait. I know.
What?
I know. Politics. Politics are very investment. Politics now where money dey. You know, Chikwe, Udenta, all of them don't enter politics. If you see these boys now, they claim big boys. They go waka, let's go follow them. Because politics now, scratch my back, I scratch your back.
No, don't scratch my own back. You have nail.
See, no better I mean. Politics, either you get godfather or you be godfather. You carry somebody, you make a governor, you go to invest. As I do now, carry your money, invest for my head, make me governor. I swear, highest, say it take 6 months or 1 year, I go betray you. Turn my back on you. See, money there inside there. As you see this politics, so just carry your money. Or even though you don't want to invest in me, if you come out like how many million now give me, say go invest for yourself. I go invest them. Maybe highest you go they follow me for credit, even though they do have for loan. Now good business.
See, make I tell you. Another thing we don't understand about politics, we say, if you don't work, people go to follow you, escort go to follow you, carry gun. They give allocation. Allocation for feeding, allocation for humanizing, allocation for clothing. If you want shit, they allocate them because your shit no be anyhow shit. See, my dear, money damn, you don't understand.
To politics we will go. Let's toast to politics.
Kai kwaiko.
Chairman, that is why we are here today. You're welcome to our great party.
My honorable party chairman, like my campaign manager rightly said, you see, I make bold to say, without being fallacious, that this political party is the biggest political party in the whole wide world. And the most interesting thing is you are the chairman. Yes. Yes. And that's why I come to see you and tell you, well, the party is supreme and you should give me a chance of showing my people what real, what responsive governance is all about. Mr. Chairman, sir, I have lived the greater part of my life abroad. I've sojourned far and wide, the whole world, and I have seen firsthand how governance is made. I have seen what governance is all about. I've seen what service to the people is all about. And that is why I want to copy and paste here in this, I'm sorry to say, failed state. And I want to tell you that by the grace of God, after I have been being sworn in as the governor of this state, I will turn the economic fortunes of this state around in 24 hours, mark my words. You can take that to the bank.
You're right.
Yes.
I want to say here that you've said some things of interest. I also want to note what you said. You said you've lived outside the country for a very long time.
That's right.
We will give you all the support you need.
Thank you.
You just owe us one thing, and that is to buy the form of this party for governorship. Go home, fill it, and return with just 2 passports. And with that, you're on the right track.
Okay, that's not a problem. That's not much ado.
One corner party. As for Joshua, Joshua is our man. He will give us light, free education, free accommodation, free hospital, free no more tax, free even a shower, free everything free. One corner party, OCP, party for everybody. OCP, come to the corner. OCP, no need to suffer. OCP, one corner party. OCP, party for everybody. OCP,
It shall be well with you.
OCP, no need to suffer. OCP.
My lovely stakeholders. Wow. Wow. Come in. Yes. My people. My people. Yes. My fellow prostitutes, I thank you because it is not easy to give somebody this kind of unusual reception, especially when you know that I am your governor. My fellow prostitutes, I have heard, they have brought to my notice that you people are suffering. And when I am governor, I will end your suffering. Yes. They have told me that you people pay 2,000 to hotel owners every day. For what? That is highway robbery, broad daylight robbery. And if you vote me as your governor, I have already made contacts with my people in China and other parts of the world. I will build and give all of you, all of you, each mobile challenge. Now you by yourself go to carry your shower house. You go to waka. And then no more payment of 2,000 naira to hotel owner. Now, another thing that has been brought to my notice is the fact that you are marginalized. For what now? Why are you marginalized? When I become governor, I will make sure you people are a part of Nigeria National. Where did they end the sound? Nigeria Labour Congress. Yes, NLC. I will create a body for you people that when NLC, they will celebrate May 1, that is Workers' Day, you will join in the march past. Yes. I am telling you, I will create National Association of Ashawo Entrepreneurs. Wow, I see yourself. Look you. Only your waist is showing food is ready. Yes. When NLC calls for strike, you will also strike. That is the truth. I have found out that you people are a very serious stakeholder in the society. They cannot do without you. Why should they not create ministry for you? I will create Ministry of Happiness and Night Somersault Duty. And one of you will be... Who is your leader? Yeah. Wow. Mama. Wow. Hey. The people's elephant. Hey. Don't worry. By the time I am governor and the time you are commissioner, this is what you will wear to work. And this net will be mosquito treated net. Oh my God. Please, don't distort my vision. Stop it. This is the future of the state.
Joshua, now you go go. Joshua, now you go. Joshua, now you go go. Joshua, now you go. Joshua, now you go go. Joshua, now you go. Joshua, now you go go. Joshua, now you go. Joshua, now you go go. Joshua, now you go. Joshua, now you go go. Joshua, now you 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 go.
SCD. One corner.
SCD.
SCD.
One
corner.
SCD.
My people.
My governor.
My people. I want to tell you, if you vote me to become your governor, I will end hunger. I have already discussed with my partners in China. They are going to bring tablets for everybody so that when you swallow, hungry not gonna catch you. You say you don't get money to marry wives. I will open a sub-treasury of wife withdrawal. Yes! Right price will be free!
Power to the people! People couple don't want to come in. So, our party will provide you all that you need. Our party will provide you electricity. Our party will provide you good education. Our party will provide you with infrastructures. Our party will provide you, will empower all the youth. Our party will make sure that when you eat, you go outside, you'll be able to give another person. When you eat, your children will eat. So that even when your children eat, they will have another one to eat tomorrow. So that your children can go to school and become better than their parents. And become better than their parents. Become better than their parents. Now, Bambo. PAP! PAP! Power to the people!
I will bring you people into my government. Okay. I will create a ministry. All our money in this state, we will enjoy it in one corner. All our money in this state, I said, we will enjoy it in one corner. corner party. This is a one corner government. You are voting a one corner governor. I don't like Bosa. No. Because he be like say he be Boko Haram. I don't like Bosa. I want to enjoy our one corner money in peace. Instead of you to say Bosa, our governor.
CPP. No. Food for the masses.
Food for the masses.
CPP.
Food for the masses.
CPP.
Food for the masses.
Food for the masses.
CPP.
Food for the masses.
CPP.
CPP.
Food for the masses.
Thank you, my people. As you can see, this is the evidence of CPP. This is the Chopping Sim Progressive Party. What did I say?
Chopping Sim Progressive Party.
CPP. CPP. Correct. I want somebody to take this as an evidence. Take.
Bring it here as an evidence.
More is coming. More will come for you. My people. I want to assure you that the CPP is the party for the people. Like I said, CPP, food for the masses. We will make sure that our people will see something to eat. We will make sure that our people will benefit from the resources. We are going to make sure that our people will not suffer. They have ruled us for the past 50 years. They have nothing to contribute. My people, CPP is here for you. CPP! CPP! Everybody will have food on his or her table. You will have food on your table. This is the evidence. Evidence of stomach for the people. We will make sure you will not lack anything. There must be food on your table. When you walk, you chop. When you chop, you walk. You walk, you chop. You chop, you walk. CPP. Education guarantee. Light guarantee. Infrastructure guarantee. Most importantly, your stomach benefit. CPP. CPP. We no longer believe in theory. What did I say? We no longer believe in theory. We are talking of practice. We are going to practicalize it. Food for everybody. This is practical. No more theory. They have deceived us a lot. We are here for the masses. Our people are suffering. And we say no. That is why you come out with the party CPP. Chopping Sim Progressive Party. You chop, you walk. You walk, you chop. Correct, my people. Make sure you vote for CPP. Where will you vote for your hand? CPP. Yowa. Make sure you vote for this is Alhaji Dambasa Dogoyaro. When they ask you, tell them you're going for Alhaji Dambasa Dogoyaro for the CPP.
My people!
This is my Hold it! Stop it! You're not bring with the future of the state. The state is in trouble. Like I said,
Good evening, viewers. We are live on Leo Creation TV, and I am Bisola Oyedepo, your presenter for tonight. By my right, we have the presidential candidate from the People's Apprentice Party, PAP, by name Dr. Ihe Obi. You're welcome, sir. And by my left, I have also a presidential candidate from Chopping Scene Progressive Party, by name Alhaji Dambasa Dogoyaro. You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Your Excellencies, we would like to know what we should expect from you in government.
Oh, thank you, my young lady. Yeah. I think I have to come first here.
No, but she was
You
she
see,
directed
our
the question to me.
Young lady, are you not talking to me or are you talking to him?
Yeah, let him go first.
The president.
Okay.
So allow me, let me talk. Young lady, thank you for that wonderful question.
You're welcome.
You see, we in my party, we don't do too much talking. We believe in the phrase that says, action speaks louder than voice. We have already outlined 3 things that we want to do in our first term in office. In fact, first time is even too much. First 1 year. First of all, we want to take care of power. The epileptic power supply in Nigeria has become something that, in fact, it has grounded Nigeria. So, our first promise is to, first of all, feast power supply and make sure that there is constant power supply. With power, food consumption would be maximized.
Young lady, don't listen to that.
With power, everybody will get
Do you understand?
power.
Don't listen to what they are saying. This is what they keep telling us every time.
In this government,
they will come and tell you they will do this, they will lie, that is all theory. We are talking about practice, practical. Chopping Scene Progressive Party is here to fix something. We will make sure that the youth will be in the front.
To give them employment.
The youth will chop when they are employed.
Sir, please,
We are talking about stomach
okay, let's talk after the order, please.
People are hungry and you're talking about a road that you did not fix for the past 50 years.
You understand me?
That is why we fought this
Okay, it's okay, sir. It's okay. We are live. It's okay. We are live.
Our resources cannot continue to waste away.
It's okay.
They will give us light. Give us roads.
It's okay, please.
Chopping Scene Party is here.
I am telling you,
Chopping Scene Party, it's okay. Yes, it's okay, sir.
That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
It is us as a youth. See, let me tell you.
what did you fix our educational system?
If you see this is an evidence. We don't make that Chopping Scene Progressive Party is here for the people.
telling you is the truth.
My sister, don't allow you to intimidate.
It's okay.
Their theory is not in today.
They will be the fool.
But in my party, you eat today, you eat tomorrow because we give employment for
Bring the
everybody.
money, let's
We empower the youth.
And they take the money. That is why people is here. Chopping Scene Progressive Party. You jump my car, I tell you, and you must fix it.
You must fix it.
The truth is that
I am telling you, we must fix
how
it.
can we stay here and
There's
give
no
them
way
money
we can have this.
controlling our money? Telling us
Let
that
me
will
tell
give us
you.
like, give us road. No,
The Chopping Scene Party, what they are doing is just to share the money.
See what we
They
can do
have
for
power.
us.
Are you well?
They're talking about stomach
And what have they done in Nigeria?
Let me tell you, what
Since
is telling you is
2000, let me tell you, since 2000
that, please. If you are just joining us, this is the People's Half Hour, and I am your host for tonight. I have here to my left the Guba candidate for HPP, Happy People's Party, Senator Dr. Samson Zacchaeus.
Good evening, viewers.
And to my right is the candidate of All for One Corner Democracy, High Chief Surveyor Evangelist Joshua Pabotimi.
No, something good. There's something.
We'll put it after the show.
One minute I talk, my people, they hear now. Say there is your MC.
Okay, we are going to do that after the show.
It's not after any show, anything. Put it there. I gave it to Yoga when I was in the gate. I put it. Even he sent me text. He said I should give my name, so I put it.
Okay, there's no problem. So please greet the viewers.
They can wait. I say, correct it here.
So we are going to make the correction after the show.
I am in your compound. I'm not on air. Listen, correct it here. Correct this thing here. I cannot work so hard and collect title. And you want to come and rubbish me in front of my people. If not, my people can riot.
Yes, sorry, please.
Yes, my people. Sorry, they didn't, she doesn't know. She didn't address me well. My people were done.
They are here on the hot seat to entertain questions from the good people of Akbako State. Welcome to the show. Okay, Senator Samson, can we hear from you?
Thank you very much. If I become the governor, I will provide good roads and electricity as well. And I will make sure I pay my youth salaries every month. And I also make sure I pay my workers.
Shut up! What do you know? See, let me tell you. See, be careful.
Sir, please.
Don't mislead my people.
Sir, please. Sir, please let him just finish.
No, you don't.
Let him just finish.
My fine girl, hold on first. Hold on. You don't know anything about politics. This is not broadcasting.
Sorry, sir. Please.
Do you know the number of people this thing has hit?
Please, sorry.
No, don't interfere. You are a fine girl. There is no business between politics and a slave queen. Have you heard me? My brother, politics begins at home. What am I saying? Which my brother? My political enemy. Politics, charity begins at home. Look, let me tell you. You say you want to provide electricity. But look at your life. You cannot even buy one small petrol, even if it is black market, and put inside your own generator so that you can have light and iron your clothes. Look at the way you're dressed to governorship debates. Your clothes are rumpled, and you think you can provide electricity for the people of Akbako State. You the crest?
Sir, please, let's be civil here.
That is what I'm saying. See, actually, I had included civil defense and civil service inside the people I am going to summon.
We have an incoming call, please. Hello, welcome to the show. Please, can you tell us your name and where you're calling us from? My name is Joe. I'm calling from Okorata. Okay, let's hear you. Okay.
Sir, we heard you say pay workers salary and also pay the youth salary. Like how much do you want to pay?
Okay. Okay, let me start.
Wait. See, now this thing they do make a difference. This is what you know how many people this thing don't knock. Listen to me. But see, no!
We just lost the call.
Yes, let us keep losing calls.
Okay, sir, please, let's hear from you. What will you do for us when you become the governor of Akbako State?
It depends on what you want. My own is as you want it, I give it to you. That is it. The Bible says knock, and you don't knock. Have you knock? Have you said what you want? Now you want all people, my good people, to say I am not saying anything.
Okay, let's take this call. We have another caller. Hello, welcome to the show. Please, can you tell us your name and where you're calling us from?
Okay, my name is Mr. Johnson. I'm calling from Unity Estates.
Okay, welcome to the show.
Welcome to the show.
My question goes to Chief Joshua.
Okay, Chief Joshua, can you hear the caller?
He is not here.
Are you still there? Can I ask the question?
Please go on. He's here. He can hear you loud and clear.
You the Chris? Caller. Wherever you are, it is just by the grace of God I'm holding myself to say thunder should fire you wherever you are there. Who is Chief? I am High Chief. All these small chief where they chop bitter kola. Kola nut eating chief. They will be washing bitter kola and kola nut with schnapp, aromatic schnapp, when I am drinking something very strong like Hennessy. And that is what you are saying that they should call me. Are you okay? Are you okay? Do you excuse me? Do you all these small chief that are apprentice native doctors? That is what you want to associate a whole political argo like me. You think I am a political unkita like this one, Poppy? I am a political argo.
Hello, sir. Are you there?
No, I'm not there. I'm in the land of the ghost. Go ahead, talk what I want to hear.
Please, sir. We heard you talked about building roads and electricity. How do you intend to achieve that?
You what? Wait, building road. Which one? Which one are you talking about? Do you want the road to your house, or you don't remember the road to your house? Which one?
I mean, building roads, like making the road good, you know.
Okay. It means now for bridge, you dey fly go land for your house. You don't have road. That is how one of the things I will do when I become governor is to take out stupid people from this state and throw them into states that will accept stupidity. You are an idiot. Because as you did here, you know the road. Which road do you want me to come and build again? Is it all these temptation questions that you see? This is the product and work of my political enemies. They plan to people to. How can you say I should provide road? You don't know the road to your house. Tell me you are blind, and then I will take you to somewhere that they can do you eye surgery, or they give you long white stick for you to use in knowing the road to your house. And I know that you are government liability. Don't tell me you don't have road to your house, whether it is bush track road, na road. Have we lost the call too?
We have lost the call, but I'm sure she's hearing us. Okay, we have another call. Welcome to the show. Please can you tell us your name and where you're calling us from?
Oh, that's my caller.
Okay.
Senator, you said provide roads and also pay salary to the workers.
Yes. Okay, thank you very much for the call. What is your don't you hear of slip of tongue before? Why is it that when they call me from one native, it's me they'll call from one native village where network will be fluctuating?
Hello,
and you
Mrs. Please, who are you directing the question to? Senator
You
Samson, please.
Are you a member of his party? What is going on here? Senator Samson. When native doctors are calling me or are calling, it is me that direct the question to. No, sir. Someone is calling from World Bank. Juicy call. A very sexy voice. You want to Columbia it and add to your position.
But she didn't call your name.
Excuse, I think this thing has a network. Call me direct now.
Sir?
Hey. Oh, listen.
Sir, please, you.
Hey! Who they call? Give me credit. You know? On another call again? Give my credit now.
We don't make her.
Yes,
Ashawo don't make her.
Yes, Mama.
Hell. So finally, this government don't remember Ashawo.
Yes,
finally, I don't make her. I tell her I say Ashawo na better profession. Anybody wey say they is making go do.
Make go do and now. I tell you, we don't hammer.
Everybody wey no get money, no even near her. Yes, so. Make I give una story. The other day when I hold meeting with her, he tell me say no be only fuel price go increase o. Tell me say once he enter government, say even our pumping price go increase. So from today, short time na how much? 15,000.
Yeah,
from today,
you don't increase.
15,000. Once he finish in debate come out here now, I think they fall in here. Everybody go dey give am two rounds.
For sure.
Free of charge. Cynthia, wetin you go give am? 2.
Why I say?
Shana, wetin you go give am? 2.
Why I say?
Wetin you go give am? 2.
Why I say?
Oh my days. You go wetin you go give am? See my face. free of charge. Give her your best position, front, back, anyhow you want them. Hey!
Come on,
education, free accommodation.
ACD!
One corner!
ACD!
One corner!
ACD!
One corner!
One corner!
ACD!
Thank you, my people. We don't land with better goodie for this area. So, as we dey carry ourselves, by ourselves, with ourselves, land here. Because we are looking at the one corner governor. Permit me to introduce the man everybody there they wait for. The man when go rule these states, everything will become free. The man of the moment, the governor, one corner governor, in the person of Joshua Pabo Timi.
My people, my people.
My governor,
my governor.
My people, my people.
My governor, my governor.
I don't think you're sure of your governor. I say, answer me. My people, my people.
My governor, my governor.
At this side, my people, my people.
My governor, my governor.
Yes, we are here again. My honorable National Party Chairman, my campaign manager, all protocols in this yard duly observed. I come here to tell you that I am sad. I am in tears. As a matter of fact, this muffler where you see me so, I dey use up the wipe tears and kata.
Hey.
Because of how sad my heart is about your predicament. I came here to tell you that this ghetto, I will be building story building for everybody. For now, where they here, I will make sure that everybody does not go hungry again. As a matter of fact, I have already hired tablets from China. I will distribute it to all of you. When you take one tablet, hungry no go catch you again. My people, my people.
My governor, my governor.
My governor, my governor.
My governor, my governor.
The Egyptian you see today, you shall see them no more. ACD!
One corner!
ACD!
One corner!
One corner government!
ACD!
You see all these abago, all these iron, where are they do? Condemn. This is not a condemned area. I want to build railway for all.
Correct, man.
Train go dey drive like aeroplane, while aeroplane go dey drive like train. You will see wonders. I am telling you. All these people, all this work when they do, I will end this kind of business. I will make sure that your lives are better.
One color. I tell you.
I will take a representative from you people. I will make you commissioner for iron No, Oga, you misunderstand the word. No be closing one, not to stop the business. Don't wanna feel pack.
Huh? You dey grace? Don't worry, my people. Is he? He's just joking. But my brother, what is baffling me is the fact that in this hot sun, you dey smoke cigar.
See this man, oh. So, let's say
No. If I be your governor, one day. Oh! Wait till now.
Since you did do leg like mommy water will never find water when you go occupy. Huh? Where do you have a person rest?
What kind of nonsense with this? Which kind of nonsense is this? You know the dream where I dream. You know the dream where I dream.
Joseph, which dream?
Yeah. You know, say, for inside, I contest election. And I contest for governor. Then do election, I win. As I win, finish. For inside the swearing in where I just the swear in. Before so help me God. Now you go with... You be enemy of progress.
Come wait, my ask you. Wait, so now swearing in make you do leg like this. Eh? So you don't know the one the swearing in way you supposed to do. Make if you don't know I tell you. Swearing in way you supposed to do now, swearing in of iron, condemn aluminium, condemn battery. Now the swearing in way me you supposed to swear. See, look outside, they don't break. Eh? We supposed to go cover ground.
Let me just tell you, not be like this you been there. For that my dream, now you be my campaign manager. And for my cabinet, I been want to make you even be commissioner self.
Ton.
Stop that nonsense, you dey crazy.
Make I leave am for ton.
Now jealousy, now they worry you. Now jealousy. You know what make I come become governor?
Make me even check this here.
Yeah, come on, leave my leg.
No man, no malaria they worry. Na mama food wey we chop nice just disturb you like this. No sleep.
I beg. No just disturb this my sleep. Make I go back to sleep and continue from where the swearing in been stopped. I beg. Make noise. Make I travel.
Where the boss? That's why I keep here.
Hey!
What's happened?
No make noise now. I want to travel back to this thing. Before you know it now, the swearing in go finish. And the person where they swear for the swearing.
No, so you go call and sweat up. No, like that. No problem.
If the swearing come out for inside that, if the occasion finish, you not thunder and go fire you for inside this place. Enemy of progress.
Singlet why I wash here and come. Who take them? Huh? Because no be here I been they keep my singlet.
Only you alone, your nose alone, don't carry all the breeze where they this neighborhood, where they inside this house. I go to struggle with oxygen.
See, remember me and you are friends, so we don't chop. We dey chop together, play draft together.
See as you be, if you leave, look, mind yourself. If you not see, get out.
Where you want my go now?
No, not go. Get there, vagabond. You not see brief.